Today is another fun and exciting learning with Miss Julie. To start with, let us take a closer look at this video clip. What have you observed in the video clip? Very good observation. Reading and writing cannot be separated. According to Palm Allen, reading is like breathing in. Writing is like breathing out. Today we will learn about the patterns of development in writing across the discipline. It is hoped that at the end of this video, you must have identified the features of the different patterns of development. Recognize the transitions that signal each pattern of development. Write an essay using any of these patterns of development. But before we proceed, kindly take your pen and a notebook so you can jot down important details for today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin! Paragraphs can be developed using a variety of patterns. The logical arrangement of ideas is known as a pattern of development. Krisner and Mendel in 2002 encapsulated the 10 different patterns by which ideas are developed. The key to successful writing is the knowledge of transitional expressions that send signal to the readers. At some point, you use strategies when you write. For example, process analysis is a particular strategy when you show someone how to change the setting in his Facebook account. Or to save context in his smartphone. Description is when telling your sister how she looks like when she gets up in the morning. A narration is used when you tell the story of your first date. Or how you made up your mind in choosing a track to pursue. Try to identify the patterns of development presented. If you were to define a whale, you may start by saying it is an aquatic mammal. Then you could talk about its size, shape, and so on. These patterns start with letter D and ends with letter N. What could it be? Very good! This paragraph examines how given subjects are either similar or different. You're right! It is used to discuss a single item and breaking it into components. You are doing a great job! This sort of paragraph requires convincing the readers that the opinion of the writer of the subject is the right one. That's awesome! Now let us check your understanding. I will flash a series of statements on the screen. Choose the appropriate pattern of development from the box. Write it on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Although Instagram and Twitter have significant similarities, they also have striking differences. Number 2. Freedom is a concept that needs to be understood. Number 3. Juvenile delinquency is a social issue that requires urgent attention. Number 4. In the field of law, there are several subspecialties which you can focus on. Number 5. Major events happened that led to the defeat of Japan during World War II. You're doing a great job! For your assignment, choose a topic under narration and write an essay about it on a sheet of paper. So I hope that you learned a lot today. This has been Miss Julie saying, no pandemic can stop us from learning.